the film is Don't Judge a Book by its cover. And Indu is this opinionated girl, so she also learns that through the film. So I think that's the best way to take this. Don't judge a book by its cover. Dekh lo film kya hai. See what the twist of what is happening. It's all situational humor, comedy of errors.
I can't put in words. I can't tell you exactly ki story mein what happens, what's the sequence of events, because it's just pure madness and it looks so real, it looks so plausible that you're like कि अरे यार ये तो शायद मेरे साथ भी हो सकता था, ये ऐसा एक अजीब सा डील तो मेरे साथ भी हो चुका है.
Kiara, after Kabir Singh, it's been a dream run for you in Bollywood. So do you at times like pinch yourself that how things are going for you from strength to strength?
You're right. It's been a really amazing year, 2019. I did pinch myself after Kabir Singh when all the love was coming in, because it was new for me. I hadn't experienced it in the 3 years before that I was acting. I mean, I had gotten the appreciation with Love Stories and Dhoni, and people had seen my other work, but that unanimous love came to me, I think, post Kabir Singh, as most of us, everyone knows. But I feel it's been scarier now than it was before that. Before that, I was just happily doing my work and, just grateful to be on set. And I was just having fun. I wasn't overthinking it or anything. Now it's like, I don't know how to take these compliments sometimes. I feel like it sometimes gets like a little pressurizing. I feel like I don't want to take it seriously. And fortunately, I've seen the lows in my career as well. And I truly believe that's made my foundation stronger and really made me who I am. So I keep remembering that journey, and I keep remembering the experiences that I've had, because it's not something that, you can hold on to. So I don't want to hold on to that, the highs only, because life is unexpected. You don't know what can happen. And I think this year especially has taught us that. So I'm just going with the flow, going with the journey, and enjoying this experience and journey.
And this time you're also spearheading the movie. So are you feeling the additional pressure?
Before every movie, there is a lot of anxiety and the butterflies in the stomach. This time it's a little different because we are in a pandemic. So I think we have to be practical about the situation. So we were just chatting earlier, and Aarti mentioned that I don't think box office ka jo pressure hai, we're taking that upon us, because that doesn't really make sense to take that kind of pressure upon us. Instead, we're hoping that, it helps the theaters in any way, because you need new films to come out. But I think more than that, we're just excited to share the film, because we've made it with so much love, and it's been such an entertaining process of shooting this film. So we're just hoping that now once it releases, it translates on screen and we can finally share it with the audience. And I think it's also coming at a nice time. December, it's the end of the year. Most of us have watched amazing content, but a lot of it has been edgy and heavy. And now, as we're coming to the end of the year, you want to watch something light, something fun, something that will hopefully keep you, in splits. And that's Hindu Ki Jawani. That's what it is for us. So we're hoping for that.
December is the month where you forget all your worries. December is Christmas. December is New Year's coming upon. So that's the vibe. मतलब December में थोड़ा मजे करने हैं. So it's the right time for the film to come out.
And I saw the trailer, like both your character Malika and Aditya's looks a lot of fun. And looks like that you all were having a lot of enjoying it when you all were making the movie. So tell me a little bit about the role. How do both of you play a role in Indu's journey in the story?
So Aditya and I, we both enter Indu's lives at slightly, I come a little before and then Aditya comes, and both have, one leads to the other almost in a certain way. So I'm Indu's best friend Sonal, जो ज्ञान बांटती रहती है उसको, और they are up to no good together. Whatever they do, साथ में करते हैं, and they share everything, and her love life and all the problems. And Sonal seems to have it all sorted and loves to just give out free advice, to Indu ki बहन तो ऐसे कर नहीं वैसे कर. And ऐसे करते करते she is led to a dating app, and there comes Aditya. So that's kind of what it is, and they're जैसे हम typically films में guys को देखते हैं ना, भाई मैं चल तेरे को बंदी लाता हूँ ये कर. मतलब इस बारी सिस्टरहुड है, लड़कियों का है वैसा, मतलब सब करते हैं ना, मतलब दिखाते हैं हम ज्यादा, आई थिंक दूसरा साइड है, so it's that, it's a fun friendship basically.
Aditya, like, tell me a little bit about your character in the role. How was this whole process of working in the movie?
So Summer is uh, very different from who I am. Summer is very like a global citizen. वो बहुत घूम चुका है. He's been to a lot of countries. He's met a lot of people. So his point of views, his worldviews are very different from a lot of people. He is an absolutely non-judgmental person. He will not judge you before actually knowing you. एंड ना चाहते हुए भी आप में और मुझ में, हम सब में एक वो जजमेंटल स्ट्रीक है जहाँ पे हम वी make our opinions in our heads as to where the person comes from, what kind of clothes is he wearing, or whatever. From the smallest of things, we just make numerous assumptions about the person. Samar is absolutely unlike that. And he ends up meeting Indu one night on a date, and it's a fiasco after. It is utter pure chaos that Indu has gotten into Samar's life. I can't put in words. I can't tell you exactly ki story mein what happens, what's the sequence of events, because it's just pure madness and it looks so real, it looks so plausible that you're like कि अरे यार ये तो शायद मेरे साथ भी हो सकता था, ये ऐसा एक अजीब सा डेट तो मेरे साथ भी हो चुका है. It's very relatable, to be absolutely honest. Yeah, it's just been amazing.
And 16 years back, we had a movie, Veer Zara, which I'm sure all of us have seen and loved so much. And now also here again, we have got the India-Pakistan angle. But right now, the situation in the country is a little different. And I'm sure that you all have seen some of the reactions to the trailer, which have not been very positive. Like, people have brought in the love jihad angle. And though it's a very light film and it looks like a crazy ride. So what's your take on this varied opinions that are coming in from various quarters?
My opinion is this. Now, people can just imagine what finger I'm holding up. If you do not, you don't know nothing about the film, you haven't seen the film, and you just go around judging everything that people do. You have agendas that you are absolutely fulfilling. What for? After this absolute chaotic year that people have been through, if there is even now, something or the other is happening constantly. अगर 2 घंटे किसी की लाइफ में किसी को खुशी मिलती है, तो why do you want to snatch it away from people? See the film, watch the film, and then talk about it. There's a censorship board which did feel that there should be some things which are too sensitive to be spoken about. They were removed. Now, do we want another board judging everything that we do? No. Like, shut up, watch the film or don't.
So the mudda of the film is don't judge a book by its cover.
Okay.
And Indu is this opinionated girl. So she also learns that through the film. So I think that's the best way to take this, Don't judge a book by its cover. Dekh lo film kya hai. See the twist of what is happening. It's all situational humor, comedy of errors. And yeah, like he said, it's very relatable. Ki ek raat ki kahani hai eventually when Indu meets Samar, her first date. And all those things जो होता है ना कि मम्मी पापा घर पे नहीं है, I can call him tonight, neighbors क्या सोच रहे हैं, कौन, so all like whenever you think something is going to happen, something else happens in the film. So the way the story goes, it's a fun ride, and it's just about all these youngsters having in a tryst in a crazy situation. So watch the film on the 11th of December.
Kiara, your this simple look as Preeti in Kabir Singh, I think got you a very different, a huge fan following. Like, people just adore that avatar. But when we see you on social media, like, you're like this totally glamorous, and like you can rock every look from a sari to a lehenga to a like everything that's under the sun. So from where do you get the confidence, and how much of would you credit your styling team for this? For always, coming up trumps in the fashion department?
I'll give my team a lot of credit for it because whenever we sit together and decide what we're wearing, whether it's an event or anything, they always just get it. I think we know each other. They know what's in my mind, and we just in sync all the time. But I think Ladki Ho the show, it's just always been there. It's probably in my DNA. Even when I see like my old pictures as a child, my mother used to dress me up like that, and I think I was that kid who grew up wearing my mother's heels, even though they were obviously like much bigger than my feet at that time. And even as 2 years old, I'd be like tuck 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 and all. So I always had वो शौक था बचपन से, and अभी तो I'm in a profession where we get all these beautiful outfits to wear, and it's just fun. I'm just any regular girl who enjoys dressing up, I guess.
And also, like the songs of the movie are a rage. Everyone is loving Hasina Pagal Diwani. And of late, we have seen that people are saying that in the movies that we don't have great songs. What is coming up in independent music, the videos and all. So, as actors, how much do you feel music plays a role in the success of a movie?
I think I should say that we had Kabir Singh, which gave us the best album. It was one of the movies which had the best album that year, 2019. वो अब तक वो गाने बजते हैं. So songs do play a big role in creating that euphoria. And also, we are a country where we're a country that loves to celebrate. And celebrations for us is song and dance, and that's how we've grown up. So songs play a big part of our culture, in fact, as well. And I think Indu has, for me, some of the best party songs, and I'm excited that it's also coming at a time where that's the vibe in the time of the year. December, शादियाँ हो रही है, holiday season है, parties होगी, New Year's होगा. So that's a time where you need those good songs. So fortunately, Hasina Pagal Diwani and now हिले Toot Gayi, which just came out yesterday, we're getting a fantastic response. It's super motivating because when they send you all these videos of people doing your hook step and dancing on the song and all of that, it's just so encouraging, and we're so happy that people are happy and enjoying it. Abhi ek aur gana aane wala hai, which is one of my favorites, and after a long time we'll be seeing a song like that. It's called Dil Mera. It's where Samar and Indu they go back into all the eras from 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. So I'm really excited for that song to come out. Then there's a single ladies song, which is me and Malika. So Sonal and Indu, it's your typical girlfriend song. So I feel the songs are also very relatable, and they're just with the vibe, and they all feel good songs जो आप definitely बार-बार सुन सकते हैं.
Next question is for Aditya. You got a very good break in Student of the Year from Kejo gave it to you. But when you see people pointing fingers at Karan Johar for saying that he does not promote talent from outside, what do you feel about it? Like you did a movie where you were noticed, but it had a star kid as the lead.
Yeah. I think there are 3 people. आप 3 लोगों का इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं. हम में से किसका कोई ऐसा है family background that has been associated to the films? Absolutely not. Karan gave me a break. It was not I was not the only one. There was a Tara who was given a break, and quite frankly, whoever he has given a break has become stars and superstars. I don't understand what is the problem with that. If he's seeing some potential, and it's his own goddamn money, तुमको क्या करना है उसका? उसकी it's his wish. वो किसी को भी break दे, किसी पे भी पैसे लगाए. It's his money. A lot of his films have not made that kind of money, even though he's had big stars. उसके बारे में कोई कुछ नहीं कहता. So all this crap is just what I don't believe in. Even if he did not give me a break, my opinion was still the same. That I don't believe in all of this, and talent is here to stay. Whoever can give you a chance, whoever can give you an opportunity, but for how long? An audience is the ultimate king. I don't think anything can be done about that. That's never going to change. So ये जो opinion है, मैं उस पे पानी डालता हूँ, उसको नहलाता हूँ और फेंक देता हूँ.
And Malika, you've been a huge champion of the Me Too movement. What would you advise every young woman who is facing wrong situation or an inappropriate situation at work?
I would advise them to, if they feel comfortable enough to speak up about it. If they don't, then to speak to whoever they are reporting to, whoever can, whoever has the agency to kind of help them in this situation. Because a lot of times, if you let it fester or if you don't speak at the time and a long time passes, I mean, people may or may not believe it. And of course, there are two sides to a story. I do believe that people may not like my opinion when I say that, but there are two sides to a story. And yeah, that's all.
And lastly, like, I want to ask three of you, like, what is the message you would like to give to the fans about In Dil Ki Jawani and why they should watch the movie?
Film's coming on the 11th of December. It's a very entertaining film. We can promise you a lot of laughter. It's a film that we've made with a lot of love and fun. So we're hoping that translates when you watch the film. And I think it's that time of the year when you want to just watch something that's light, that's a feel-good film, that's got a lot of laughter, comedy, good songs, fun moments. There's an amazing friendship. There's action, like Malika keeps reminding me of. There's everything actually. Dekha Jai is quite a Bollywood movie, but with a fun content, with a fun social message and a fun. Everything's done in a really fun way in this film. So I think just keeping that spirit alive, it's the perfect watch this December.
It's just learn to love. A lot of people have forgotten what it is, and that is what we try and tell you. Just as humans, from human to human to human to every other living being, just please learn to love. We all have forgotten, myself included. Through our film, we also try and say the same thing. Just learn to love.
There are so many moments that will make you smile. You will find yourself smiling so many times when you watch this film, smiling, laughing. And I think that itself is reason enough. I mean, I think this year has taken away a lot of reasons to smile. And I mean, I think we need a film that's a little light and doesn't take itself too seriously. Watch it, enjoy it, I guess.
Thank you so much for joining us for the interview and all the best for the movie. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.